I would like to discuss an interesting feature here, which is the metrics plot. Now, the metrics plot allows you to visualize across samples in a batch such things as ISTD responses to make sure that they're behaving appropriately, or let's say the variation in retention time across all the samples in a batch. If you want to monitor that, we've added and integrated into the application a graphical presentation of that. We call that the metrics plot. You can, of course, export these values to Excel and do the charting there. This approach is integrated so you can do it faster, and then check on the performance of your batch very quickly. So let me show you how that's done. I'm in Batch at a Glance, and I'm interested in the response, retention time, variability, and I'm just going to plot this column for amphetamine to see how that looks. And let me see if I wanted to also check out methamphetamine and ecstasy and cocaine. So I can take a look at this plot here, see how it looks. There's one that seems to have shifted in, obviously that's the blank, so you'd question as to whether that's the right peak to be picking there. But in any case, it shows you how you can look across all of the samples in a batch quickly and see what the variation is in any column that's showing up in Batch at a Glance. And of course, you can print preview this, or copy and paste it to some other document. So here we have the print preview, and from here I can of course just print to my printer and put it on a piece of paper. So that's an example of using the metrics plot. For example, here I've plotted the response of the deuterated ISTDs, and again the blank looks a bit off, and if I cut across here to sample at the row 9, you can see that ecstasy, MDMA, in sample 1 looks like the ISTD response is significantly off here for that internal standard, so you'd have to again question that. I think you can see the value of looking across the samples to check to make sure that the analysis is picking up the right signals. Thank you very much.